Muchangwa is moved into a petty spokesperson, driven more by personal ambitions than by positional mandate. His constant frolic and trivial pursuits against specific political rivals like Tagore is an embarrassment. Sarapina mashoko anobuda panguva ino achiri Temba Mliswa oya zvekare achiataka Chris Muchangwa. Toona kuti vakomana ava vanyazozikanwa kunzi vanoshanda vese, but hambaenda kuatakana uku kuri kwapazvokwadi here or not. Subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Mliswa anotorambira achiti if he was serious about his duties, he should be talking about the Chinese, how they are undermining the very independence which they initially supported us to get. Why is he silent about the Maniza heist, in which we are being fed optics of having a huge iron producing project where real money is going China's way? All talk about Manize is merely bluster or propaganda, because as a country, our position from a project of around 7 trillion US dollar for owners of the resources is very small. Why are we not stampeding against this clearly unjust arrangement instead of undermining locals? We have managed to succeed in business and went on to stand with the party. They can equally argue that for the party to remain standing today is because of their funding initiatives. Otherwise, Muchangwa would be a spokesperson for a former ruling party. These individuals should be celebrated. We never hear about ANC complaining about Motsepe or Obasanjo going around saying, I made Dangote or Tony Elumelu. You cannot gatekeep the party from individuals who have kept things ticking by funding it before. It's the mandate of government to create an environment for its people to succeed. Yes, there are many upstarts who have emerged lately and should indeed be corralled, but people like Tagore have been there when it mattered most, such that even Chris owes his seat to them. You can't demand their money and yet block their political ambitions. The Chinese are a more pressing matter with their wanton and extractive approach to business. It is them whom Muchangwa should be daily talking about. Ndo mashukuru dunia panguva ino achitaura aiwa na Sabuk Temba Mliswa panguva ino achiataka beki kana Chris Muchangwa. Mbudzisa mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nangu mese kushemeni, subscribe or like, achitaura bell icon.